Hello and welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today I am going to show you how to choose Tesla plug on Google Maps. Choosing Tesla plug on Google Maps will filter and display the location of Tesla charging stations, which is helpful to the Tesla users. So here's how you can do it. First, you need to open the Google Maps application on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Then tap on your Google profile you see at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings from the list. Then scroll down and look for electric vehicle settings. Now tap on electric vehicle settings once you find it. You can see the add plugs option here. Tap on plus sign and you will find these different type of plugs that you can choose from. Now tap on Tesla and when you go back you can see that you have successfully added the Tesla plug. Now you can go back to your Explore page and you will easily be able to find the Tesla plug on Google Maps while you are traveling. So this is how you can choose Tesla plug on Google Maps. This is it for today's tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more such tutorials, and thank you for watching.